Randall M doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Canon EOS photographer Randall M. Got my lens today in the mail. This came all the way from Sunghoon Shin T909 Pugrim I1 plus 255-I Sihoyan Jong Bungdang Gu Sigong Sai Postal Code 13590 Republic of Korea. Came a long way away. Let's see if I don't know if you can see that. There it is. Now, I could have got this sooner if I'd gotten the black version, but I wanted the white version because I think it looks... A lot of the Canon lenses that are higher end are the white lens. I mean, the black and white quality, or the difference between the quality of the black and white is exactly the same. It's just aesthetically the lens I thought would look more high-end professional if I got the white one. I could be wrong. I don't know. But anyway, the point is I wanted the white one. There's a black one and there's a white one. I wanted the white one. So, it had to come all the way from South Korea. So, the contents. Camera lens 1. Net weight 300L, whatever that means. Price 100. It's actually 111. But anyway. Let's see. It's got a lot of tape on it, which is good, I guess. I guess I'll just try to get my scissors here. Now, the story behind this is, it's a 28, or excuse me, 28. It's a 2.8 aperture, 40mm. And I spent, my grandmother bought me a Jeep before she died, a couple years before she died. And then recently, actually last year, I sold it for $1,100. It cost $5,000 to buy the Jeep plus insurance and license plate, but it was $5,000 for the actual Jeep. I sold it for $1,100, and I've been trying to use the money wisely and as best as possible. And for something that's going to last a long time, I bought my ham radio over there with $500 of it. And this lens hopefully will last a long time. And it's something that when I use it, I can thank Grandma in a positive way. And I've been waiting for it. I didn't think it was going to get here near this soon. But I am excited to get it. And it's very small. It didn't even come in the box. So that's, I mean, not a big deal. That's fine. I don't think it came all wrapped up in this bubble wrap. So it didn't even come in a box, which is again not a big deal. I'm not tripping over that. There it is. That's what it came in. It's well protected, so that's cool. And it did come in a little. And that does. I'm sorry, people. That looks cool. Okay, so we got this. What's this? This is Canon. Let's see what it says. I can't. Okay, it says EF 40mm f2.8 STM white. Right here. Owner's name. I'm not gonna send that in. It's much work. So take that. I'm not gonna save this bubble wrap. I'm going to throw that away. No need reason to save it. But there it is, baby. Look at this. Oh, okay. Wow. That's very high quality. I'm very impressed with that. It's beautiful. Very nice. It's very small. Very high quality. I'm very impressed with the Canon makes good stuff. So there you go. There's the unwrapping of this very beautiful macro 0.3 to very impressive. It's got autofocus and manual focus. 40 millimeters. I'm looking forward to using it, trying it out. In my next video, I will show you the filter and installing the filter. But this has been an unboxing, and just wanted to show you that. So until next time, I'm Canon EOS photographer Randall M. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless. 73s. Oh, that's Hammer. Bye.